Hey everyone, in this video, I'm gonna show you how we can convert our long and messy links to the short link. We're gonna use here the PrettyLinks WordPress plugin. This plugin have a lot of features from tracking your links clicks to create your own link and bio page in just few clicks. So let me show you how we can use it step by step. So here we go. So first of all, open the dashboard of your website. And let's click on the plugin and click on Add Plugin. We need to install the plugin. That name is PrettyLinks. Just search your PrettyLinks and you can see this is a PrettyLinks. This one have the 5-star reviews. Let's click on Install Now. And now let's click on Activate. Now, in the left side, you will see the PrettyLinks here. Now here you can create a links. It means you can convert any long link or any affiliate link to the short link. So let me show you how we can do this. So I have one affiliate link, okay? So first of all, go to the PrettyLinks and click on Add New PrettyLinks. Now, scroll down, you can see the target URL. It means your affiliate link or any long URL. So let me just put my affiliate link, and the affiliate link look like messy. You can see the lot of numbers and like that, but I want to make it as a short. So PrettyLinks, you can see this one, and you can just change. You can see this is your own domain, like test.thecodingbuzz.info. Now I'm going to just convert this to the Insta page link. That's it. Now I need to just add my title, Insta page links. Okay. Now here we have option redirection. 307 is temporary, 30 is temporary, but 301 is permanent. So I'm going to just select the 301 here. Okay. And now let's click on update. Now we created one link. Simple. Now let me see how this will look. Okay. Let me just copy this. Open the incognito window. You can see my domain name / Insta page. So whenever someone open this, that will open in affiliate link like this. Cool. Amazing, right? Now, whenever you go to the PrettyLinks, you can see that one click. Okay. So that will count the all clicks here. Now let's click on edit again. This is our link. Now we have some options like advanced. Click on this. So in the advanced option, we have 4 options like no follow. So you can check it for no follow, sponsored, parameters forwarding, and tracking. So you can enable or disable it. Make sure enable it to track the clicks. Okay. Now let's go to the pro features. Okay. Let's click on this. Now you can see we have a pro features, and in the pro features we have called expire. It means you created one affiliate link and want this link should expire after some time, like after 1 week, after 2 days. So you can set a time here. You can see the expire date, and the date will be like around 31st. Like this. You can select like this. Or you can do one more thing is like clicks. Clicks means whenever you want top 50 people can get this offer, so you can just select the clicks and just add 50. Then the only 50 people can click on this link. After this, your link will expire. And there's one more feature is called expire redirect. It means once your link is expired, you can redirect user to the another link. So this is really cool. So let me just update this. So in the pro feature, there's one amazing option. Just let's go to the options here. And in the options, you will see here the replacement. Click on this. Just enable the keyword replacement. Okay. And just make sure that keyword post type is post and page. Like select this post or page, or you can just select the post also. So this feature is like whenever you write a blog, so you have lot of keywords in that. Like suppose you write a blog about the hosting and you mention the hosting keywords multiple times, and you want that keyword should link to your hosting affiliate. So you have to do it like manually first, or you can do it with the PrettyLinks in just one click. We just need to mention which keywords we want to replace with the affiliate link. It's so amazing. So let me show you how we can do this. We just enabled it, okay, keyword replacement, and just update this. Now let's go to your PrettyLinks here. And this is the Insta page link. So I'm going to just edit this. And you can see this is the pro version, and in the pro you will see the keywords. Now this feature is enabled. Keywords like hosting, Insta page, SEO like that. SEO like that. Okay. Now go to the post. I have this blog. Okay. Now we can see SEO, hosting, like all these keywords automatically connected. Whenever I just disable these options, and I'm going to just remove these keywords from here. Update this and just open this block. See all keywords go. Like see, there's no linking, but whenever you update the keywords, that will appear in the blog. Not just a blog one post, in all the posts. Like this. So whenever you click on this, that will redirect you to that affiliate link. See this one. And this is so awesome, right? You don't need to do it manually from now. Now, let me show you one amazing feature that is called link in bio. So in the left side, you will see the add-ons option. Click on this and now click on link in bio, install add-on. It's activated. Refresh it. Now in the left side, you will see here the option of link in bio page. So using this, you can create a bio page in just few seconds. Okay, so let me show you how we can do this. In the left side, you will see here the link in bio page. Click on this. Click on the add new link in bio page and just name it as like title is like info something or my bio page something. Okay. Now you can see, just scroll down and you will see the option of social media links. So you can put your social media links here. Let me just put my links here, YouTube, Insta, like this. Okay. And I'm going to just add some buttons here. Click on the add button and I'm going to add here the hosting link. So suppose that Insta page link, I'm going to add this button. Now on the right side, you will see here the featured image. So let's add featured image. I'm going to add one image here like this. And I'm going to just make this page publish. Okay, you can share this page with anyone. Let me just open this page and show you. This is my bio page. You can see this is DP. This is the all Insta like this links. This will open my Insta page here. That YouTube, that website, that Insta page link. This is our affiliate link like this. So you can add here the multiple buttons here. So this bio page we created with the help of PrettyLinks. So you don't need a third-party tool to create your bio page for this. So in the left side, you will see the clicks option. So whenever you go to the clicks option, you will see the all clicks, details, and you can see the links. You can see the IP. Lot of option you will find in this here. And you can download all this information in CSV format also. This plugin have one more feature, it's called Pretty Pay. You can use this to get a payment from your clients. You just need to connect your Stripe account with this and you can create a direct payment link with this. So this is really cool. So in the Pretty Link, you will find lot of options free of cost. But if you want the advanced option, then you need to buy their plan. So they have a multiple plans as like super affiliate, marketer and beginner. So you can choose the plan according to your requirement. So if you have any doubt, you can answer my comment. Thank you so much for watching this video. Have a nice day. Be safe. Bye-bye.